Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Roblox error code 773. To fix the Roblox error code, you need to open up the Roblox on your PC. Once you get into your Roblox account, click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Then, go into your account settings from here. Once you get into its settings, click on the privacy option from here. Then, from here, tap to turn on the account restrictions are disabled. When this setting is enabled, this account can only access content that is appropriate for all audiences. Additionally, communication settings will be set to off. After that, click on the security option from the dashboard. Then scroll down and click on Log out of all other sessions. Once you log out of your account successfully, now tap on the Windows icon from the taskbar. After that, go into File Explorer from here. Then search here for Settings. Once you get into your PC setting, now click on Apps from the settings. After that, go into Installed Apps. Then search here for the Roblox app. Once you find the Roblox Player application, click on it. It will show you the options to uninstall. So, click to uninstall the app from here. Then, reinstall the app, and after that, the errors will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.